Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Valorant VAN 1067 error on Windows 11. First, you need to make sure TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot are enabled. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI menu. Inside the BIOS, look for Security or Advanced Settings. Make sure TPM 2.0 is turned on. Also, find Secure Boot and enable it. These two options are required for Windows 11 and Valorant Vanguard to work correctly. Save the changes and restart your PC. Next, we will check the Vanguard service. Press the Windows key and type Services and press Enter. In the list, find a service called VGC. Right-click on it and select Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply. If the service is not running, click the Start button. Then click OK and close the window. After that, we will repair the Valorant game files. Open the Riot client. Click on Settings. Then go to the Valorant section. Look for the Repair option and start the repair process. This will fix any missing or corrupted files that could cause the error. Once everything is done, restart your computer and launch Valorant again. The VAN 1067 error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.